Hello my friends, followers, listeners and dear traders, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. As always, you know guys that traders profit will always help the new guys, new traders and beginner traders. We bring always awesome strategies and tools to help you to become a profitable trader from my kit. So as you're looking that boom 500 chart is opened, that thousand and let's say that million of traders using this boom and crash, because this that people's thinking this is not a shortcut to making money. So please don't think. Okay, if you don't have knowledge, then really this boom and crash will kill you and wipe your account. If you come with $1 million, you will fail. At least you will finish and wash your account. So must gain the knowledge. If you have knowledge, really, once you start with $10 with gain knowledge, and really you will make awesome money and more profit. Yes, it's true, but without information that million or trillion dollars, nothing in this market. So you have to gain the knowledge and profit understanding of market, how things work and how market moves and how behave. Okay. Once you understand all things clearly and start real trading, I'm sure that you will make profit daily basis. Okay. As you all guys know, we bring always awesome strategies. So today I'm gonna show you one more awesome swing trading strategy and also the boom scalping strategy and also the all index strategy like 25, 10, 75 and other index strategies included in this one strategy. So let's start set the strategy. First of all, choose the moving average, set to default first of all, okay, and choose liner weight, okay, apply to close, choose pixel 1 and a color white, okay, period 10 shift 0 liner weight apply to close 1 pixel color white is not visible on your chart. Okay, but why we add this moving average? Cause that many people ask me that previous indicators data not showing in our moving average setting. So cause of this you have to must set this moving average first. Before set up the strategy you have to set this moving average, simple method, and once done, let's start set up the strategy. First of all, add that 5 period liner wedge previous indicators data 3 pixel golden color and done. Once more, moving average 5 liner wedge previous indicators data 3 pixel color same and done. You have to add this 4 times, again done, one more time. Okay, understand? Okay, like next one. Moving average 9. Change the color and you like. Add 3 times. That last one. Moving average 50. Sorry, 15 period. Change the color black. Look here, your strategy is set up successfully. Okay, now it's time to trade. How we trade using this strategy? So put your zoom level. First of all, clear the zoom level. Look here, one time. Look here, this full zoom. Look here, just one time. Leave it same. Okay. Okay, now how to trade using this strategy? Look here that all moving averages crossing each other. Now opened in a live. All moving averages crossing each other. That's golden and blue. Okay, once they cross each other, so it's time to buy. You have to place your buy. Okay, look here, the previous history. Moving averages crossing each other and it started going up. So it's time to buy. Okay, how to exit from trade and how we set the stop loss. For stop loss, simply once you seen that cross happen, look here, cross happen, so simply that previous low point is your stop loss and take profit. Leave it open till that moving average is cross again, till that moving average is cross again, look here. Till that moving average is crossed again, you have to exit. Okay. In boom and crash, our recommend is 30 pips stop loss and 70 pips take profit, 50 pip take profit. Okay. Look this point. That blue and gold moving average is crossing each other and it started going down, and look here, downtrend. That boom 500 is going down. And look, till this cross, we hold this trade and exit from this cross. Okay, and our stop loss here. Many people say that boom and crash, don't accept and use stop loss. Stop loss is working in all kind of market. Okay, don't think that stop loss not working. Just simply in boom and crash, here one more extra thing, cause of these spikes. Okay, these spikes, once you set the stop loss on this point, okay, look here, on this point in buy trade, and that market started going down. Okay, sorry, take profit. Look here, if your stop loss on this point, look here, if your stop loss on this point, once spike comes, spike will shift your stop loss to this point. Okay, let's suppose if you don't set your stop loss here and you leave this trade open by guess, cause that you seen that market is going down. Okay, but immediately the spike reverse this market in new way, but you have not any stop loss, cause of this you will lose more money. But stop loss will save you from this point. You set here, spikes come and spike shift your stop loss here, but you are safe, cause that market went in the wrong place. Let's suppose if your internet connection, if your phone battery, if your device problem and you are not able to watch your trade live and you don't have any stop loss, so how you will save your account? There is no any way. But if you have a stop loss, no problem. I know that spike will shift up and some more pips of stop loss, but this is a safety. So don't say stop loss don't work. Stop loss always work. But stop loss have condition in markets. Okay. And look here. Once more example of our strategy. Look here. All moving averages crossing each other and they started going up. So it's time to buy. And look here how much pips. Simply your stop loss here. If market is going to reverse in sale, your stop loss will be hit and you safe. And you will take profit till that next, look here, till the next cross happen. Hold your trade. And look this strategy. Once market comes in range bound position, This strategy will indicate you there is no any clear direction of market, so kindly wait. So we have tested and I like this strategy. So because of this I shared with you. Sorry, my data is turned off because many messages and emails pops up. I'm recording the video, because of this my data is turned off. And look here, I hope you all guys understand clearly and you all guys make more money with this strategy, because this is very awesome and helpful strategy. Okay, you still have any question, watch the description and contact with me. Okay, I will give you more and more insight of health. And look here in other index, look here in 75, moving average is crossing each other, and look here that opened buy, look here buy, look here sale. In 25 index, look here, awesome buy. Use in any time frame, M1, M5, M15, H1, no problem. Use in any time frame. Strategy will give you awesome results. Look here, 75 index sale and awesome signal. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Still have any question, feel free to ask me. I'm here for your help.